Hello, brothers and sisters. I want again to welcome all of you to this other lesson. Remember, we are still discussing about fundamental strategies of voicing. And in the last two lessons, we talked about how to improve voicing skills as an interpreter. In this lesson, I want us to focus on different types of speech, meaning to say that we as interpreters, we expect to have either of these we are going to discuss during an event. So we have to prepare ourselves on how to effectively give out the message as expected. So when it comes to different types of speech, we'll talk about number one, we'll talk about direct speech. Direct speech, remember, involves a first person used for, of course, for medical or legal interpretation. So direct means you are going to get the message as it comes from the one speaking and you give it out. So that is a direct speech. So we as interpreters, we have to prepare ourselves fully when it comes to such type of speech because we are going to represent the message of an individual as it comes out from the speaker. And I've said that when it comes to direct speech, this involves medical events in a hospital or in a medical facility or during guidance and counseling in a hospital, and also legal. Legal for this case may mean during the court processes. So interpreters are required to give out the message as it comes from the first person. So prepare yourself fully to carry out such tasks in future. See you in the next type of speech in the next lesson.